Hey, this is Carlin Wilson, and today's video is FlyLady Baby Step Day 24. So today's baby step is to add a swish and swipe to our morning routine. And if you're not familiar with the swish and swipe, it's going to be kind of swishing around your toilet brush in your toilet and wiping off your counters, clearing everything that you've used for the morning, putting it away. And we're going to start doing this every morning. And before you think like, okay, am I really going to be cleaning my whole bathroom every morning? It's not a complete clean. We're just wiping off counters, clearing everything away. We're going to swish our toilet so that nothing builds up in there. And this is going to help it to be a lot easier to clean by the end of the week or whenever you decide when you're going to do your full bathroom clean. Something else FlyLady encourages us to do is to keep all the supplies for the swish and swipe in each bathroom so that you're not lugging around like rags and spray bottles and supplies. Like, have a little swish and swipe kit in each bathroom so that that's not something that you have to worry about first thing in the morning. And just time yourself. I think if I think about having to clean my bathroom in the morning, it's like that's not what I want to meet the day with. But if you just set your timer like we've been doing and see how long it takes you, it really doesn't take long to do the swish and the swipe and be done with the bathroom for the day. And you can even alternate days. Like if you have 2 to 3 bathrooms, you can kind of rotate on a daily basis which bathroom we're going to focus on for that day. So that's our baby step for today. I have a link below to a calendar with all the 31 days of baby steps that you can print out and follow along with. Subscribe to this channel to follow along with our baby steps, and follow me over on Instagram if you haven't already. I'll see you over there, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.